Hi everyone and welcome to a new episode of Empower Best Practice series. Our topic today is multilingualism, and I will show you first how you can implement this function as an Empower admin user, and then how you can use this function, for example, for creating language unions between single slides and presentations. As usual, if you have any question, please just send us an email at empower@metinoffice.com. Okay, if you would like to use the language switch, you might need to implement this function first. But please note that you need admin rights to do that. So when you are an admin user in Empower, you see the customizing button right here. By clicking on it, you can open the settings. And by clicking on multilingualism, you can activate that function here and then simply add the languages which should be available for the language switch. So let's say in our example we are choosing German. And English. Alright, now we have implemented the language switch to the Empower version. After saving the setting and a restart of PowerPoint, the function will be available for all users in Empower.
Auch, danke. Sonnigen Mittwoch. Ja, obwohl jetzt die Sonne scheint, aber sonst ist es wirklich. Ja, aber. Oh. Nur noch einmal pro Woche. Äh, genau, ich würde gerne einmal das nachstellen, wie ich beschrieben hatte, bei Ihnen, weil wir es bei uns einfach vielleicht nicht bekommen.
Okay, now we have prepared two slides. One slide is in German and the other one is in English. The language switch works for single slides or for entire presentations. But in this example, we just take two slides. First of all, I'm going to save both slides to the Empower library.
Ich stelle es einmal nach und wir gehen einmal Schritt für Schritt durch, um es irgendwie noch weiter. Ja.
Here I can define the language of this slide. So that's German, that's already correct. But you also have the possibility to assign the value universal. All elements marked as universal are displayed in the library regardless by which language the library is filtered. Items marked as universal are available in all languages. And this function is useful for graphical elements or, for example, for slides with elements that do not contain any text. And now the second slide. So that's English. Okay, I'm going back now to the library. Here are the two slides I've just saved. By right-clicking on a slide, I can now mark it for a language union. And then I right-click on the other slide and create the language union. That's basically it. If I now insert one slide to my presentation, for example, the German one, and click on the language switch button, I'm able to switch it from the German version to the English version. A further function is the possibility to mark a language union as outdated. For example, when a slide has been altered, and these changes are also to be made to the other slide within the language union. This function works independently from Empower's update function. So I will make a change to the German slide by simply entering some text and overwrite this slide in the library. Now Empower informs us that this slide is in a language union. And by clicking on yes, all slides in the language union within the library will be automatically marked as outdated. But you are also able to mark the slide as outdated directly in the library by right-clicking the slide and selecting Mark as outdated. The advantage of this function is the possibility of now being able to filter the library for outdated slides. All we have to do is click the filter Language Variant Outdated. That's the filter over here. Now you have a complete overview over which slides may need to be updated or may need a new translation. The content can be filtered and edited according to its assigned language. You can use the language filter over here, and here you are able to choose, for example, only to display German content or only English content. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any questions, please just send us an email to empower@medinoffice.com. Thank you for joining and have a nice day.